Just wanted to do a quick video on installing new windows in a 75 Ramada. These are the big windows. The plastic I ended up with was optics from Lowe's, and it was 80 thousandths thick, was the right thickness for my application. What I've done on my other windows that I've installed is put the rubber strips on first, and then I've taken my aluminum ends and just sprayed the insides of the tracks down with silicone spray, and then I've started both of them from the end or from the bottom. Just start on one end, either top or bottom, and then just work your way closer to the window. I haven't been able to get them to go on if you start square. I've had to start on an angle, either top to bottom or bottom to top, whichever one works easier for you. Like I said, this is on a 75 Ramada, so these are the big windows. I don't know what other models this install method works for. I know some of the other ones you have to remove part of the window track to get the windows in and out. So this is what I did and worked for me. I hope this helps somebody.